My friend, my big, big friend, a good friend, my big, big friend, a fun friend, my big, big friend. I love my big, big friend. I can count on my big, big friend, always with me, my big, big friend. I believe in my big, big friend. On you I can depend. My friend, my big, big friend, a good friend, my big, big friend, a fun friend, my big, big friend. I love my big, big friend, my big, big friend. The boat ride.
I love grapes!
Hey, leave some for me.
Oh, okay. You see this grape, Matt? I'm not going to eat it. No way. Nope.
Hello?
I'm not eating it, even if you are way over there. Shh.
I want to know who's on the phone.
You want to invite Matt on a boat ride? Today.
Someone just invited me on a boat ride.
You mean us? Someone's invited us on a boat ride. I have to get ready. They might not have grapes on a boat.
I'm going on a boat. Yes.
Well, no, that sounds great. But unfortunately, Matt can't go. His grandma's having a party.
Huh? What party? No. I want to go on the boat ride.
Yes, Matt's cousins are coming from out of town. It's going to be a lot of fun. Well, yes, you guys have a good time too. Bye now.
Who wants me to go on a boat ride? Why can't I go?
Calm down, Matt. That was Yuri's dad. He's taking Lily and Yuri on a boat ride this afternoon.
But I want to go too.
I know, but we have to go to Grandma's. Your cousins are coming from far away for a visit. Remember the last time they came? You had so much fun.
That was different. I wasn't missing a boat ride. Please, can I go on the boat ride instead, Mom? Please, please, please.
Sorry, honey. Not this time.
It's not fair.
Chug. Ahoy there, matey! Arr! When do we leave for a boat ride?
We're not going on the boat ride. We have to go to Grandma's and visit with my cousins instead.
No boat ride? But that's terrible! I mean, it's not terrible that we're going to your grandma's. I like your grandma. And your cousins are lots of fun, too. It's just...
I know. It's just a boat ride would have been really exciting.
I was really hoping we'd see some sharks.
Big sharks.
Lots of pirates.
Yeah, pirates.
And a storm.
A big storm.
A big storm.
But instead, we have to go to Grandma's.
And play with your cousins. Hey, do you think your grandma will make her special cookies?
Probably.
I loved your grandma's special cookies.
Me too. But I'd still rather go on a boat ride.
Yeah. So let's go on a boat ride. All aboard!
Whoa!
Hello there!
Whoa! Hi, I'm Matt. And this is Bongo.
And we want to go on a boat ride.
Well, you came to the right place. I'm Captain Otto. I hope you're all bundled up for a chilly, spilly ride.
Hear that? A chilly, spilly ride.
That's what we want.
Well then, away we go! So, what would you like to see first?
Sharks!
Pirates.
Sharks!
Pirates.
Sharks!
Pirates.
Sharks!
Sharks.
Shirates! Parks! Wait a minute!
Sorry. It's a bit too cold for sharks around here. And there aren't that many pirates about these days. But I could take you to see some wet and wild whales instead.
Whales. Yeah.
There are no sharks, but whales are exciting too.
They sure are. So let's go see some wet and wild whales. Hold tight!
Now this is what I call an adventure.
Yay!
Yahoo! Whoa!
Aw, they're going away. Why are they going away?
I saw a baby whale out there. I think the family's gone after it.
Not much of an adventure.
Don't worry. I know where there's something exciting to see. Hold on. Whoa! Icebergs!
Whoa! Are they ever big?
Yep, frosty frozen icebergs. Way down here near the South Pole, it's always cold and everything is snow and ice.
Let's go climb one.
Sorry, but you can't leave the boat on a boat ride.
Huh?
Why not?
Because it's not a boat ride if you're not on a boat.
Oh. Well, that's no fun.
What was that? They know you?
They certainly do. That's my family.
They look like they're having fun.
That's because they're together. Doesn't matter where we are. When my family's together, we have fun.
I know what you mean. My family always has fun when we get together, too. We play airplane. Vroom, vroom. This is Niner Niner calling it home base.
And dress up, too.
And Bongo's favorite, musical chairs.
What's musical chairs?
Come on, Bongo. Let's show him.
Chairs, chairs, musical chairs. You circle a chair.
You have to be fair.
You can skip
You can hop.
till someone shouts,
Stop!
I win!
Aw.
That looks like so much fun.
Yeah, except Bongo always wins. But I'm the family champ at hand clapping.
Oh, yeah? Not this time. Hello, sir. Are you coming out, sir? No, sir. Why, sir? 'Cause I got a cold, sir.
Where'd you get the cold, sir?
From the South Pole, sir. What you doing there, sir? Hugging penguins there, sir. How many did you hug, sir? One, sir. Two, sir. Three, sir. That's enough for me, sir. Goodbye, sir. See you next July, sir.
That looks like fun.
It's easy. I could teach you if you want.
Sure.
Don't worry, I'll take the wheel. Our Captain Bongo's steering the boat.
Just do what I do. Ready? Hello, sir. Are you coming out, sir? No, sir. Why, sir? 'Cause I got a cold, sir. Where'd you get the cold, sir? From the South Pole, sir. See? It's easy. But now you gotta chant with me, and it gets faster and faster.
Okay. Hello, sir. Are you coming out, sir? No, sir. Why, sir? 'Cause I got a cold, sir. Where'd you get the cold, sir? From the South Pole, sir. I can't wait to show my cousins this clapping game.
My cousins love it. I bet yours will too. Want to play again?
But what about our boat ride? Don't you want to go on another adventure instead?
Yeah, I guess so. Okay, let's go on another adventure.
So what can we see next that's really, really exciting?
I know just the thing.
Whoa, Whoa, look at the size of those waves!
Yeah,
And that's nothing compared to the waves in the middle of the swirly-whirly storm. Now those are big waves!
Oh boy, this is going to be a big, big adventure!
Maybe it's too much adventure.
Huh?
Why can't we just go someplace where there's lots of fun things to do?
I could take you back to the icebergs and you can play with my family.
That's really nice. But I was thinking we could go to Grandma's and play with my family.
But what about excitement and adventure and having fun?
We have all those things at Grandma's. We can have airplane rides and sing songs and play games with my cousins. That's an adventure too.
Yeah, it is. Kinda.
And we'll also get to eat Grandma's special cookies.
Grandma's special cookies? I love Grandma's special cookies! Grandma's! Woo!
Hold tight! Matt's Fun and Fantastic Grandma's coming right up! Whoa!
Maybe we can use Grandma's couch pillows to make an iceberg, and you and me and my cousins can slide down like penguins.
Or we can play Storm with your cousins in Grandma's sprinkler.
Come on!
But should we play before or after we eat Grandma's special cookies? Or maybe we could play while we eat Grandma's special cookies. Or maybe... Whoa!
Hot and cold.
You're doing great! Yeah, I am? Oh, thank you! Yeah, we're winning! Nessa, do something!
Hey guys, I have the bestest news ever! My mom talked to your moms about you coming to my house tomorrow for lunch.
I like it!
And that's not all. My mom said that you get to pick what dessert we have. We can? Wow! I want your mom's hot apple pie. It has a really crunchy outside. It's yummy!
Really yummy!
Wait a minute. Hot apple pie is hot. Nessa and I want something cold. Vanilla ice cream. 'Cause it tastes cold and tingly, right, Nessa? Tingly.
Yeah? Well, Bongo and me want something hot for dessert. And I bet you Yuri and Goliath want hot too.
I bet you not. Hey, Glyce, what do you want? A cold dessert? Or a hot dessert?
Goliath, yummy hot apple pie? Or ice cold vanilla ice cream?
I know! I want what Yuri wants.
Don't you want cold, tingly ice cream, Yuri?
No, he wants his mom's hot, yummy apple pie with a crunchy outside.
Yuri, maybe you should just pick one.
But I don't care what we have for dessert. I just want Lily and Matt to have fun.
Me too.
You know what, Goliath? I know a place where Matt and Lily will have lots of fun.
You do?
Yeah, look. Now this is fun, don't you think, Matt? Matt? Lily? Where are they?
Well, Lily and Nessa are over there, and Bongo and Matt are over there.
Oh, I wanted us to all play together.
It's so cool.
And tingly!
And you'll never guess what it is. It's ice cream! Ice cream! Hey, Matt! We have our very own ice cream mountain.
That's nothing! We have a hot apple pie beach!
With a very crunchy outside.
Yummy, yummy, yum, yum, yummy, yummy, yum. Yummy, yummy, yum, yum, in my tum!
Come on, Nessa. Let's slide down our ice cream mountain. Ooh, let's.
Well, they're having fun,
Yeah,
and they got what they wanted.
yeah, but I'm not having fun.
Yeah, me neither.
I know.
What do we do now?
I don't know.
Hey, Yuri, Goliath, come on over to the ice cream side. It's so much fun.
No thanks. We're not really hungry right now.
Huh? We're not?
Oh, Lily, can we build an ice cream snowman? Good idea, Nessa. Let's do it.
We're not hungry for ice cream?
Well, if we go over to Lily's side, Matt and Bongo won't like that.
Oh.
Yuri, Goliath, we're gonna build an apple pie fort. It'll be fun.
We're gonna call it Fort Apple Pie.
Then we're gonna eat it. You wanna help?
It sounds like lots of fun, but, Yuri and I like it right here.
But Lily and Nessa might want to help. We could all go and visit them and find out.
Okay.
Hey, everything over here is gold.
Nessa, stop licking the snowman's head. Oopsie.
Lily, Matt and Bongo are gonna build a fort on their side.
A fort? That's great.
Fort Apple Pie.
Yeah. And you can help if you want to. Thanks, but me and Nessa are going to build an ice cream castle next. We are? Yeah. So we can be ice cream castle princesses. Oh, okay. Come on, Bongo. Let's get back to our side.
Well, that was a short visit.
That was great that Matt wanted you to help with his fort. Wasn't it, Lily?
Yeah.
Maybe he can help build your ice cream castle.
Yeah, we can all help to make it really big.
Great idea. Don't you think, Lily? Well, I guess we can go and ask Matt and Bongo to help. Hot, hot, hot! Hot, hot! Yum, 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 yummy, yum, yum! Yummy, yum, 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 in my tongue!
Matt, Bongo.
Hi there. Matt, we got visitors.
Great! You changed your mind. Are you guys gonna help us with Fort Apple Pie? No. We want you to help us with our ice cream castle. It'll be more fun if we all do it together. Sorry, can't. We gotta do our fort. Whoa, that's hot. Come on, Nessa. Let's go back to the cold side.
Yuri, I don't think we're ever gonna have fun with everybody together.
I know. I guess I'm going to have to choose whose side we have fun on.
Look, Yuri. What's that? Smells yummy. Like apple pie and ice cream.
I guess stuff fell off our shoes when we were going back and forth.
Yeah. Maybe I'll just... Oh, Yuri, that's... Oh, Yuri! You have to, Oh!
Goliath, are you okay?
That's so delicious. Oh, Yuri, try it. You gotta try it.
That's really good. Goliath, I have an idea. Take this shovel and go to Lily's side. Then I'll tell you what to do. Hurry!
Take shovel to Lily's side. Take shovel to Lily's side.
Goliath, I need some ice cream over here.
Okay, if you say so. Incoming!
Matt, come quick! Our fort's being attacked!
What's going on?
Matt, Bongo, you gotta taste it. Ice cream and apple pie together.
It's really, really good.
Taste that? Wow! Wowie, wow, wow!
Hey, Lily, you gotta taste this. Whoa! Whoa! I'm not eating that. Yes! 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 That's really, really, really yummy! And it's fun! Throw some more over, Matt! We need more apple pie over here! Okay, but we need some more ice cream over here. Ready? Ready! 1, 2, 3!
Toss! Tossy toss toss!
Here it comes! Here comes the ice cream bundle! Whoa! Apple pie away!
Apple pie! And ice cream! Okay!
Perfect! So we decided we want hot apple pie with vanilla ice cream. The best dessert ever!
Yummy, yum, yum!
That's a great idea!
Yeah, my mom will love it. I'll go tell her. Yuri, wait! What else is your mom making for lunch? I hope it's hamburgers. I hope it's chicken fingers. I don't know. My mom didn't tell me. Maybe she'll make chicken finger hamburgers.
That's a good one!